Notion tips and tricks. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create and format tables in Notion. For this example, I'm going to create a medal table showing the top 4 countries in the 2021 Tokyo Olympics. So I'm starting on a blank Notion page here, and to add a table, simply type / and a T, then select table from the options that appear. This automatically adds a table to the Notion page that has 2 columns and 3 rows, as you can see here. To quickly change the number of rows and columns in the table, go to the bottom right hand corner and drag to expand or decrease the size of it. You can also hover your mouse to the right of the table and click to add to the number of columns, and the same at the bottom of the table to change the number of rows. Now, to create the medal table, I'm going to add the table headings. So I'm going to put country, gold, silver, bronze and total, and then the top 4 countries, which are United States, China, Japan and Great Britain. To delete a row or column, simply click on the 6 dots that appear when you hover over it and select delete. If you hover over the top row and click on the 6 dots, you can set it as a header row. And from what I can see, this just gives the row a different colour. The same goes for the header column. You can also switch headers on and off from the options menu here. But for this table, I don't want to set a header column. And to move the position of columns or headers, simply click the 6 dots and drag to where you want them to be. Next, I'm going to set the colour of the medal columns. To do this, hover over, click the 6 dots and select the colour you want from the colour menu. So for gold, I pick yellow, silver, grey and bronze, orange. You can also set the text up in tables as links. So for the United States, I'm going to link this to a wiki page with more details on which medals were won. Finally, I'm just going to rearrange the columns slightly and start filling in the contents of the table. And there it is, a simple Notion table of Olympic medal winners. So now, tables are a great way of displaying information in a simple, readable way, and results of a competition or tests are a great example of their use. If you want to add a lot more information, have the ability to sort the data and use formulas in columns, etc., you should instead create a Notion database. One great thing about tables is that you can easily convert them into a database. Just select the table and click on Turn into a database.